welcome to day 3, where we are in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Look at that. So you might notice some white stuff on my face, but that's just because I just put on sunscreen because we are headed to an excursion. We are going to the Waterfalls of Damajagua. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I'm sure I just butchered it. Of what? Damajagua? I'm sure that's wrong. But that's where we're going today. We did not book through Carnival. We actually have done this before. We just get off, we go to the taxis, and we book through them. So the total cost, I'll break it down for you below, but basically it's about $12 per person, which Carnival's price is about $160, I believe. Either way, I'll put all of the details down in the description. But basically all you need to pack is some sunscreen, your towel that you get from Carnival, and some water shoes, and your identification and your cruise card. And these are the water shoes that I got. So these are because these are the Vibram, 5 fingers, whatever. But basically you need some shoes to do like a light hike / walk, because you're going to be walking for about a mile to get up to where the waterfalls are, and then you can slide down, jump down. Some of them you can either slide or go down the little ladder if you don't want to jump or slide. So that's what we're doing today. I'm definitely going to take y'all with us so y'all can see how it is, and just going to enjoy today. We got to be back on the cruise ship at 3:30. It is currently 8 a.m. So we're about to go down, grab some breakfast, and head out. It's not super duper hot here either, so I'm hoping that it warms up so that we won't be cold. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. So, yep, we're about to head out. Hopefully I can brush some of this sunscreen out of my beard, but it doesn't really matter because I'm not trying to be super stylish. I'm just trying to be protected, baby. Somebody want no skin cancer. So we're about to head out, grab some breakfast, and then hit the island. All right, so we made it off the boat finally. Not on time, but we made it to the boat. Man, or the ship. So we are about to head on to the island and get to our excursion. So, pretty excited about it. I'm more excited because, I don't know if y'all can hear me because this wind is going crazy. But I think I'm more excited because we got two people who've never been before, so I love it. And it's warming up with the sun. It feels pretty good. So, I'm gonna take y'all along with us so y'all can see it. This is the actual port. You'll see they have a bunch of different stores and things like that all the way around. Back there they actually have like a resort where you can go to a beach. It's something up there that they're doing. But yeah, it's a lot of different things to do, so you don't have to necessarily go and do like an excursion. But if you do want to go do an excursion, just kind of walk over here, and then it's a taxi area straight through there that you can go and get to all of the excursions and beaches and stuff like that. They got ice cream over here. It's warming up nicely. The weather is very nice. You can go here, get your passport stamped, which we did that last time. But yeah, you don't have to go off of this area if you don't want to, or you can take a taxi, or you can book through Carnival and do any of the excursions that they have. But we kind of do our own thing because we found out that it's much, 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 much cheaper. So for the 5 of us last time, I basically paid a little over $100 to do the excursion. And Carnival's cost is about $160 per person. So the same excursion is about $12 a person if you just go and do it yourself, which is exactly what we're about to do. So let me show you the taxi area. So here's the taxi area. And we're about to hop in one of these taxis. Music going. Morning, morning.
Damajagua.
So wait. They gonna tell me how to say it. How do you say it?
Damajagua.
Damajagua.
And then we're going to Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata, one of the most beautiful cities from Dominican Republic.
Nice.
There we're going to take it in a nice beach. You can have a good swimming today.
And go cigar factory too.
Yeah.
Cigar, everything, everywhere.
See, my uncles got me together.
All right. Hey, my name is Valentine.
Valentine?
My name is Raymond.
Raymond and Valentine.
My name is Tony.
All right, let's go. Here we go. We're getting in the taxi. Is that Tony?
Yes.
Look at Jeff. Jeff, let's go all the way to the back. This is perfect. Another thing that they just offered us was to do like hire a photographer, and basically that was additional like $45. So we just went ahead and paid it for our group instead of trying to take our phones with us. So that way we don't have to have our phones and try to take videos and pictures and stuff all along the way. So what I'll do is insert the videos and pictures of our trip that we get from the photographer after this clip. All right, we got to go and put on our stuff. So see y'all in a minute.
Hey, my family, how was? Hey. Okay, my family. Arriba. Let's go. Hey, it's video.
hours later.
Together. Next. Down the top, please. Next. Down the top. Up together. Hasta la vista. Next. Down the top, please. Here we go. Up together. Hasta la vista, baby. Here we go.
We just finished the Waterfalls of
Damajagua. What do you think?
Damajagua? Damajagua. I think it's, man, this is bad. Anyway, we just finished and we had a ball. What y'all think?
Amazing.
Yeah, we had a good time. And I'm going to either insert the clips before or after this, but we are headed back. We were going to go to the beach today, but we're not going to have enough time considering we got to be back on the boat at 3 because the boat leaves at 3:30 and it's already after 1 right now, so it's really going to be a waste of time to go all the way there and sit there for an hour and a half. So we are about to head back. It's been amazing. Our tour guides were Boris and Anthony, and they were great. Had a good time, kept us laughing. And our photographer that we hired, his name was Angel. He was great too.
Definitely recommend
So
that.
I gotta go pick up our USB so we can have our pictures. And we're about to head back to the taxi and go back to the port. And we just go walk around, you know, and look around in the stores and chill out there until it's time to get back on the boat. So we'll check back in once we get back on the ship, I think. Yes? No? We'll see what comes up next. This is really cool. He is literally making the tortillas fresh dough. Slides down this thing and heats up right there. This is really impressive. And you got chicken, fish, and pork tacos. Pretty cool. It's currently 12:30. I definitely took a nap until about 9. And we ended up getting up and going to Chibang, which is the Chinese and Mexican restaurant. After that, Jasmine went to bed or lay down because she wasn't feeling good. And then I just hung out with the boys and got ice cream and pizza, which I didn't get any. So now I'm back to get pizza and just look at how they're making this. So I think I'm gonna actually end up getting a that custom one again, but we're gonna see. After this, I'm going to bed, just because it's literally, boat is rocking like crazy, and I'm tired. So even if I don't go to sleep, I'm taking this downstairs. What floor are we on? Taking it upstairs, and then I'm going to bed. So this will conclude the video for day 3. Tomorrow we will be in Puerto Rico. We have no idea what we're doing tomorrow, but we'll see what the adventure brings us. Good night.